For the same number of correct answers in IELTS reading, students receive a high band score in IELTS academic while a low band score in IELTS general. Why? Let's find out. Hi, my name is Gaurav and welcome to the channel IELTS Made Super Easy. Today I am going to tell you the truth about the IELTS reading marking scheme that will help you to strategize your preparation. Not many students know that there is a significant difference in the marking scheme between IELTS Reading General and IELTS Reading Academic. So let's find out. For a 5 band score, there is a difference of 7 correct answers. This means in IELTS General, you will receive a 5 band score for 23 correct answers, while in IELTS Academic, you will receive the same score for just 15 correct answers. And this is not something that I am making up. It is according to the official IDP marking scheme, and you can find the same information on the official IDP website. So for band score 6, again there is a difference of 7 correct answers. You will receive a 6 band score for 30 correct answers in IELTS General, while you will receive a 6 band score for 23 correct answers in IELTS Academic. For a 7 band score, the difference is slightly less, but I would say it is still significant. There is a difference of 4 correct answers. So in IELTS General, you will receive a 7 band score for 34 correct answers, while in IELTS Academic, you will receive the same score for 30 correct answers. For a band score 8, the difference again reduces by 1. Now there is a difference of 3 correct answers. In IELTS General, you will receive a 8 band score for 38 correct answers, whereas in IELTS Academic, you will receive the same score for just 35 correct answers. So guys, due to this strict marking scheme in IELTS General, it gets difficult for people to get a high band score. However, with the right amount of practice and techniques and strategies that we share on this platform, you will face absolutely no difficulty. I hope you liked the video. In the upcoming videos, we will share how to solve each type of IELTS reading question individually. So if you are interested in that, stay tuned. Thank you for watching the video.